The Middle East skies have turned into a battlefield. Fighter jets roaring, missiles racing through the darkness, air defense systems lighting up the night sky, and suddenly a dramatic moment unfolds over Kuwait. Reports now suggest that a powerful American fighter jet may have gone down in the middle of this growing regional tensions. Welcome to Times XP's war coverage, and the aircraft in question is believed to be the F-15 Eagle, one of the most powerful fighter jets ever built by the United States Air Force. This particular jet is designed for dominance. Speed above Mach 2, advanced radar system, deadly air-to-air missiles. In fact, for decades, the F-15 has been considered a symbol of American air power. But now, videos circulating online appears to show something shocking. A fighter jet falling from the sky. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Witnesses say that the aircraft was seen descending rapidly over Kuwaiti airspace, trailing smoke before plunging towards the ground. In fact, moments later, another clip appears. A parachute opening in the sky. According to early reports, the pilot ejected just seconds before the crash, escaping the doomed aircraft. Officials say that the pilot survived the incident, though he reportedly suffered injuries and was later seen receiving medical assistance. Well, the crash happened above Kuwait, a key American security partner that hosts several US military facilities used in the regional operations. But here's the big question. What actually brought that jet down? After that, Iranian state media quickly claimed the responsibility. Tehran-linked outlets, they suggested that the fighter jet was hit by an Iranian military during the ongoing hostilities between the US and Iran. And ladies and gentlemen, if that is true, then this would mark a serious escalation, because shooting down a US fighter jet, it would be a direct and dramatic challenge to the American military power. However, other early reports are raising a very different possibility here. Some analysts believe that the aircraft may have been accidentally targeted by a very friendly air defense system. Specifically, attention is turning towards the Patriot missile system, one of the most widely deployed air defense systems protecting the US allies across the Gulf. The Patriot system is designed to intercept the incoming missiles and aircraft, right? But in a very chaotic combat environments, with missiles, drones, jets flying all at once, identification mistake can happen. Well, military analysts, they call this scenario friendly fire. And during high-tension conflict, it has happened before. At this time, there is no official confirmation that has been issued about the exact cause of the crash, but the US Department of Defense, they are still to confirm whether the jet was struck by the hostile fire, technical failure, accidental interception. But one thing is clear here, ladies and gentlemen, the skies over the Gulf are becoming dangerously crowded. Iranian missiles, American fighter jets, air defense batteries across the multiple countries, and every radar screen is on high alert, because if a US fighter jet can truly be brought down during this confrontation, the consequences can be serious.